Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up your Salesforce integration in Aurora. This tutorial is meant to be a follow-along to our Help Center page, so it would be helpful to have that pulled up as you're watching. Please note that this simple integration is lead import only. For export capabilities, please email us about getting an enterprise account at support@aurorasolar.com. Before you begin, open both Aurora and Salesforce. Be sure you have administrative capabilities in both applications. If not, either contact your administrator or click on the link in the Help Center page on how to gain administrative access. Without further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening the Salesforce home page. From here, we're going to navigate to Setup in the right-hand corner. Once we open Setup, we're going to open our App Manager by typing App Manager into the Quick Find bar. Once this page loads, we're going to create a new connected app. This screen requires you to enter information into a variety of fields. Let's take a look at that information. All of this information can be found directly on the Help Center page, so you can copy and paste from there. We're going to enter Aurora Solar for the connected app name and Aurora_Solar for our API name. Next, we're going to write support@aurorasolar.com for our contact email. Under API Enable OAuth settings, we're going to insert the callback URL apps.aurorasolar.com/settings/integrations. It's crucial that this text matches the text from the Help Center article exactly. Next, under the available OAuth scopes, we're going to choose Access and Manage Your Data API and perform requests on your behalf at any time. Once adding these to the selected column, we're going to scroll down and click Save. Our next step is to navigate to the Object Manager page up in the left-hand corner. From there, click on Lead and create a new link. This can be found by scrolling up to Buttons, Links, and Actions in the left-hand column. Navigate over to New Button or Link and enter in the following fields. Again, all of this information is listed in the Help Center article. Enter Design in Aurora for the label and design_in_Aurora as our name. Choose Detail Page Link for display type, URL for content source, and copy and paste the following URL. From there, click Save. Our next step is to navigate to Page Layouts in the left-hand column. From Page Layouts, choose Lead Layout. Now we are going to add the link to our lead page. In this window, I'm going to choose Custom Links. From there, I'll find the button we created and drag it down underneath the Custom Links column. After that, I'm going to return to the home page. Navigate over to Setup on the right-hand side once again. Return to the App Manager and find the app. Once the app is found, go all the way to the right of the screen and click the drop-down menu. Choose View. This will take us to a page with information about the app we have created. Under the API, you'll notice a consumer key. Copy this information. Now, navigate over to Aurora. On the right-hand side, choose your name and go to Settings. From there, navigate to the Integrations page. From the Integrations page, click on Salesforce. Input the consumer key where it says Client ID. Then choose Connect. Click Allow. Just as a reminder, Aurora will only import the following fields: first name, last name, full address, including the street, city, state, postal code, and country, the phone number, and the email of leads you explicitly ask us to import. Next, we are prompted to input our client's secret. Go back to the Salesforce page and copy and paste the consumer secret under API. Then hit Complete Setup. Congratulations! You have now fully set up the integration between Salesforce and Aurora. Let's import our first lead. Return to the Salesforce home and navigate over to the Leads tab. Select a lead and navigate to Details. At the bottom of the Details tab, you'll see the custom link that we created, designed in Aurora. Choosing this custom link will redirect you to the Aurora app. A window will pop up. In this new project, we can change any of the information we want. For example, I'm going to change the name of this project to My First Lead Import. Next, I'm going to select the type of project it is, residential or commercial, and click Create. From here, you'll see that a new project has been created directly with the information from the lead in Salesforce. You are now able to continue using Aurora as usual. Congratulations, and thanks for watching.